In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Zoho Inventory so you can manage your products, stock levels, and sales without feeling overwhelmed. We'll move step by step, keeping things simple and practical, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to handle your inventory day to day. Let's start by logging into Zoho Inventory. Open your browser, go to the Zoho Inventory website, and sign in with your Zoho account. If you're using Zoho for the first time, you may be asked to set up some basic organization details like your company name, address, and currency. Take a moment to make sure those are accurate because they'll appear on your invoices, orders, and reports. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is add items to your inventory. Look for the section labeled items or products. Here, you can create a new item by entering key details such as the item name, a brief description, the selling price, purchase price, and the tax settings if applicable. You can also indicate whether the item is a product you stock or a service you provide. Over time, you can manage these items by editing information, making items inactive if you no longer sell them, or grouping similar products together using categories. After you've added items, it's important to understand how to track your stock levels and warehouses. In Zoho Inventory, each item can have stock assigned to different warehouse locations. Navigate to the inventory or warehouse section and review your current stock levels. If you use multiple locations, such as different branches or storage facilities, you can create separate warehouses and assign quantities of each item to those locations. This helps you see exactly where your products are stored and how much you have available in each place, which is critical for avoiding stockouts or overstocking. Next, you'll want to record your purchases, sales, and invoices so everything stays in sync. When you buy products from a supplier, create a purchase record in Zoho Inventory. This usually starts with a purchase order, and once the goods are received, you can convert that into a purchase bill. On the sales side, when a customer buys from you, you can create a sales invoice or a sales order depending on your process, and Zoho Inventory will automatically adjust your stock quantities based on those transactions. Creating sales orders and purchase orders is a big part of staying organized. For sales orders, choose the customer, select the items they're buying, set the quantities, and confirm the prices and taxes. This document helps you reserve stock and plan your fulfillment. For purchase orders, select your vendor, add the items you need to restock, and specify how many units you're buying. Once these orders are confirmed and fulfilled, your inventory levels are updated accordingly. To keep an eye on performance, use the reports section to monitor inventory and sales. You'll find reports that show which items sell the most, which ones are slow moving, your current stock valuation, and your purchase and sales history. Reviewing these reports regularly can help you make better decisions about which products to reorder, which to discontinue, and how to adjust your pricing or purchasing strategy. Finally, make use of barcodes and SKUs for easy tracking. When you create or edit an item, you can assign a stock keeping unit or SKU and a barcode value. If you have a barcode scanner, you can scan items during sales, purchases, or stock adjustments, which speeds up data entry and reduces errors. Follow these steps and Zoho Inventory can become a central, reliable tool for running your inventory smoothly and efficiently. And